Did you know that by 2045, the US will become a majority-minority nation? That means no single racial or ethnic group will hold a majority. But here's something even more surprising: nearly 1 in 4 Americans is either an immigrant or the child of immigrants. America is changing fast. But with that change comes an important question: what does it truly mean to be American today? For some, being American means freedom and opportunity. For others, it means struggle and resilience. But one thing is clear: the definition of being American is evolving. In a time of deep political division, cultural shifts, and social change, defining what it means to be American has never been more complicated. Are we united by values or divided by differences? Sometimes, it feels like being American means fighting for a country that doesn't always fight for you. It means sacrifice. It means standing up for something bigger than yourself. Is American identity about where we come from? Or is it about where we are going, together? For some, it's about opportunity. My parents came here with nothing, and now I own my own restaurant. For others, it's about history. America has always been our land. But being American today means fighting to be seen and heard. For many, it's about hope. Today, I became a US citizen. For me, being American means hope. It's about taking care of each other, no matter our differences. Being American is not just one experience, it's millions of them, woven together into one story. So, what truly defines being American? Maybe it's this: America isn't one thing. It's not one race, one religion, or one background. It's an idea, a belief that no matter where you come from, you have a place here. A promise of freedom. A promise of opportunity. A promise that no matter who you are, you belong. Yes, America is messy. It's imperfect. But it's also full of people who keep pushing to make it better. America is more than a place. It's a promise. America is you. Now, it's your turn. What does being American mean to you? Drop a comment below, we want to hear your story. And if you found this video thought-provoking, check out our next video on the changing face of America. Subscribe for more stories that matter.